Hello dear Codecraft Cafe fam, welcome to another exciting video, and trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Listen up, if you're still using last year's digital marketing playbook, you're already falling behind. We're talking about getting left in the dust, lost in a sea of irrelevant content. 2025 is here to shake things up, changing how we create, convert, and connect with our audiences. But don't worry, I got you. In this video, I am breaking down the top 5 digital marketing trends that are about to take over, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use each one before everyone else does. We're talking game-changing strategies here, people. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive in. Alright, first up, we're talking about hyper-personalized content with AI. And let me tell you, this is huge. Generic content is out, dead, gone. It's like trying to win a race with a flat tire. AI is the fuel you need to dominate. We're talking custom emails that speak directly to your audience's needs, product suggestions that are so on point, it's like reading their minds, and content that feels like it was handcrafted just for them. Think about it, guys. Imagine sending out an email blast, but instead of a generic message, each subscriber gets something tailored to their interests. Someone who loves your fitness products? Boom! They get a personalized workout plan and a discount code for their favorite protein powder. Someone who's more into your fashion line? They get style recommendations based on their past purchases and a sneak peek at your new collection. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to make this happen. We've got AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai that are ready to become your secret weapons. These tools can help you generate personalized content at scale, freeing up your time to focus on the big picture. But here's the thing, and listen closely. AI is a tool, an incredibly powerful tool, but it's not a replacement for human connection. Use it to enhance your message, to add that personal touch, to make your audience feel like they're the only person in the room. Remember, people connect with people. So let your personality shine through even when you're using AI. Next up, we're diving into the world of video. And get this, long-form video is back, like it or not. This the fact. Yeah, you heard me right. Remember those epic in-depth videos that kept you glued to the screen? They're making a comeback in a big way. Look, people are craving more than just quick snippets and flashy edits. They want substance, they want stories, they want to dive deep into topics they care about. And that's where long-form video comes in. We are talking YouTube, Facebook, even TikTok is getting in on the action. Now I know what you're thinking, long-form video, but Mr. Beast, that takes time. And you're right, it does. But trust me, the payoff is huge. When you create valuable, engaging, long-form content, you're not just getting views, you're building a loyal audience that trusts your expertise. So, how do you get started? Start with storytelling. People connect with stories, so find a way to weave your message into a narrative that resonates with your audience. And don't be afraid to repurpose your content. Take that hour-long webinar you just did and turn it into a series of shorter videos for social media. Remember, the key here is to provide value. Give your audience something they can't get anywhere else, something that educates, entertains, or inspires them. All right, let's talk about making that money, because social commerce is about to get a whole lot smarter. We're not just talking about slapping a buy now button on your posts and hoping for the best. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are stepping up their game, making it easier than ever for you to turn followers into customers. Think about it, guys. People are already scrolling through their feeds, engaging with their favorite creators, and discovering new products. Social commerce just streamlines the whole process, making it seamless for them to buy what they see and love. We're talking about in-app purchases that let people check out without ever leaving the app. We're talking about auto-personalization that shows people products they're actually interested in based on their browsing history and past purchases. And get this, influencer storefronts. Imagine having your own curated shop right there on your profile where people can browse and buy your recommendations directly. Setting this up is easier than you think. Instagram makes it super simple to tag products in your posts and stories, and TikTok's shopping feature lets you create shoppable videos that are crazy engaging. And if you're killing it on YouTube, you gotta set up YouTube shopping. It's like having your own online store integrated right into your channel. Now, let's talk about automation, but not just any automation. We're talking about human-backed automation because in 2025, it's all about that personal touch. Gone are the days of robotic emails and impersonal chatbots. We're talking about automation that feels human, that understands your audience, and that builds real connections. Think about it. Imagine someone signs up for your email list, and instead of getting a generic welcome message, they get a personalized email from you, thanking them by name and asking them about their interests. Or how about this? Someone sends a message to your business page, and instead of waiting hours for a response, they get an instant, helpful reply from your chatbot, which, by the way, has a personality. This is the future of automation, guys. It's about using technology to enhance your human interactions, not replace them. And the best part? There are tons of tools out there that can help you make this happen. We've got ManyChat for creating chatbots that are both intelligent and engaging. We've got MailerLite for crafting email sequences that feel like a conversation with a friend. And then there's Zapier, the automation king, which lets you connect all your favorite tools and automate your workflows like a boss. But here's the key: empathy first. When you're setting up your automation, put yourself in your audience's shoes. What would make them feel valued? What would make them feel heard? Focus on creating experiences that are helpful, personalized, and genuinely human. All right, last but not least, let's talk about building trust. Because in 2025, authority trumps aesthetics. That's right, guys. It's no longer enough to just look pretty. You need to be the real deal, the go-to expert in your niche. People want to buy from brands they trust, brands that provide real value and aren't afraid to show their human side. Think about it. Would you rather buy from a brand that has a perfectly curated Instagram feed but never shows any real results? Or a brand that's willing to get real, share their behind-the-scenes struggles, and celebrate their wins with their audience? I think we both know the answer. So how do you build that authority? It's simple. Show, don't just tell. Don't be afraid to pull back the curtain and give your audience a glimpse behind the scenes. Share your journey, your challenges, and your triumphs. And most importantly, educate before you sell. Create valuable content that teaches your audience something new, solves their problems, and positions you as the expert in your field. We're talking tutorials, case studies, webinars, the works. And don't be afraid to get personal. Share your story, your why, and what makes your brand unique. Platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, and even email are perfect for sharing this type of long-form authority-building content. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being real, relatable, and ridiculously valuable. So there you have it, guys. The top 5 digital marketing trends that are going to dominate in 2025. But listen up, because here's the thing. Just knowing about these trends isn't enough. You gotta take action. If you're serious about staying ahead this year, pick one trend and test it this week. Don't wait until everyone else has caught up. Remember, the early bird gets the worm, and in the fast-paced world of digital marketing, the early adopter gets the customers. Want help bringing these trends into your business? I got you. Follow Codecraft Cafe and DM me trends. I'll send you a resource kit packed with even more tips, tools, and strategies to help you crush it in 2025. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and share this video with a fellow marketer who needs to be ahead of the game, not behind it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.